Today we're going to go through what is a learning experience platform. Now, a lot of you out there might be fans of LMS's learning management systems. Well, a learning experience platform takes it to the next level. Now, welcome to the e-learning partners. That's Hector and myself. We have a free masterclass for you linked right below this video to help you in your journey to figure out if you need an LMX or an LXP or whatever you need. You will learn how to have a guaranteed successful e-learning program. You sign up for that masterclass, you will have a successful e-learning program.
So, what is a learning experience platform? First of all, it has all the components to the LMS.
If you want to know about an LMS, check out the video, What is an LMS?
Hosting, delivery, data collection, and sequencing. Those are the four.
In addition, it has a social media component.
Social media
which
component?
Basically means when people are in your learning experience platform, they can actually comment on each other's stuff, post comments, all these different things. They have a wall.
There's a community aspect to it, which is extremely important. It's not just a plain generic leadership board or anything like that. There's actually engagement that you can communicate with every single learner that is part of that course, that platform.
Number 2, user-generated content.
This is a really cool part of LXPs.
So on an LMS, it's usually all about the subject matter experts and the people providing the content to give the content to the learners. The admins, the SMEs, they give the content to the learners take it, they learn, and that's it. With an LXP or a learning experience platform, you as the learner will generate content for other learners. So it's sharing best practices with your other learners. That's what you learn, that's what you do in an LXP.
The third thing that the LXP offers to a whole nother level is a more personalized experience for the learner. Because of these components, mixed with all the components that the LMS has, it takes the personalized experience to a whole new level, making it more engaging, and more engagement means more productivity, more efficiency, nothing but benefits, not just to your learners, but to you, your business.
Basically, it takes all the data, so the data collecting part of the LMS uses that to personalize things for you. Now, we have some LXP recommendations for you. The first one is
Kajabi. We absolutely love Kajabi. We actually use Kajabi ourselves. We also have a link in the description for Kajabi, so appreciate the support if you want to go check it out.
Get a 30-day free trial. Use our link below. Otherwise, it's only a 14-day free trial, so definitely use our link.
Awesome platform.
The next one is Valamis.
Valamis.
That's just an epic name. We have some clients on Valamis. They love it. We help them integrate content into it, and their learners are obsessed with it. The next one is Thrive Learning. Thrive Learning Suite. We were at this conference a year ago, and we got a full demo of Thrive Learning. And really, what you can think about from a Thrive Learning perspective is a customized Facebook page for your learners to interact with their courses. It takes the social media aspect to the next level.
It's amazing.
Now, we have a video to recommend, don't we, Hector?
Yes, we do, and that video is, my good friends,
LMS versus LXP. So if you want to learn the differences between an LMS and an LXP, go check out that video. We'll see you there. Thanks for the likes and the subscribes. Woo! We're done.